slide of the before presentation. I'm not sure where the artwork came from. It looks like it was done in an external program and brought in. It's not the right resolution. It's pretty jaggy. The other thing I'd like to mention is this text trying to be 3D. It's not working. You can't read it, and it's really too jaggy. The next slide. Name that highway. Boy, this is screaming for a photograph. Here's the first body slide. I always suggest finding the best vector art you can. There's a lot of problems with this particular piece of artwork. You know, the states aren't even meeting. It looks unprofessional. So you got to ramp up and find a better map, purchase a better map, however you can. Then we go to another slide, and it's done in the oval template. But the title wouldn't fit. So the title's done in a rectangle. And then the graphics are really too big for the slide area. These need to be scaled down in the makeover. So I kept the flavor, but I got rid of that exterior oval and went with the arcs instead. This gives a little bit more flexibility with the template. Everything's done in Arial and Arial bold now. Color scheme's the same. Added a photograph. And that'd take about 10 seconds to find, too. Added a better map, added a new color to the template. The text is all black on a transparent white rectangle, which is a really great device. Similarity attraction model. It really doesn't say anything different. However, I chose to use green because the blue and the yellow make green, and that, as an artist, I get to do those kind of things. Movies have been around throughout all 4 generations that they were discussing in this presentation, so I used a kit at a theater. And then why not use photos of veterans, of boomers, of Gen Xers and millennials? It's more memorable, it's easier to understand, it's quicker visual reference. And those images were not hard to find at all.